Officially present the letter of your nomination as Independent Newspaperman of the Year 2022. Yes, everybody knows everybody can see and know what you have done in Rivers State. But beyond that, we are giving this award because of some of your actions which people misunderstood, especially your contribution to good governance, your dogged fight for justice, equity, fairness, and enthronement of sustainable democracy in our country. In fact, you have become the voice of the voiceless, of which history will be fair to you. We pray Nigerians take your message to heart and work towards defending our fledgling democracy.
The level of hardship that Nigerians are facing were not to worsen the situation. Nobody says, and let it be on record, that there's anything wrong in the redesigning of our Naira. What we're saying that the implementation will not help, rather to aggravate the conditions that people face, particularly the poor people. I believe that if the central bank, like it happens all over the world, within 1 year, say, look, the Naira, the new Naira note, and the old Naira note will be used together, so that people will know that from this period to that period, then you know that you can now say, look, this is the end of this old Naira note. Now, you have also not made the new one available. And then you have said, we can't collect the old ones again. Now, you that even have money in the bank, you're not allowed to even collect your money. You are fighting corruption. I don't believe in that. And I've said it, that in these 2-3 months that Mr. Buhari has, that they can solve the issue of corruption. It's not correct. 2, if you are saying that, oh, you want to stop vote buying, let us see that truly you want to stop vote buying. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. So the whole thing has been, for as far as I'm concerned, it's been a political. It's been a political. And that is not what it's supposed to be.